I did an unboxing video of my Patek Philippe Calatrava. That video is linked in the description below. This video is about the after-sales service of the Patek Philippe Authorized dealer that I received, the after party. Upon wearing the watch, I realized how much I loved it and how well it fit me. Like most Paramount product owners, a Patek owner has multiple watches in his or her collection. Further, most true dress watches are made of precious metals like gold or platinum, and these are more delicate than steel. These watches focus on their size or lack thereof. Therefore, for a business trip or a family trip that may involve a few fine dinners, multiple watches may be needed. I emailed my salesperson at Wempe, New York City, about my dilemma on how to carry the watch, since if you've seen my first video, you will see how the watch arrives in a magnificent yet large box. I was even worried about the wear of the strap over time with heavy use, given some places may have a hot and humid climate. I was back in New York City for the weekend and happened to chance back on the store to see my salesperson and the Patek Philippe boutique manager there. Within a few moments, my salesperson had a small care package for me that he was going to mail to me until I showed up. I opened it up, and lo and behold, there was a travel case. And a replacement strap with a matte finish. I asked how much I owed them, and the Patek Philippe boutique manager just said, "Your smile." For this, I lowered my face covering, smiled, and put the covering back on. This interaction, to me at least, is what generates loyalty between the dealer, the brand, and the client. The Trinity. The way a dealer treats the client is a representation of how the brand wants their customer to be treated. It's not always about a discount and the lowest cost, but the experience of the joys of owning a timepiece, knowing someone will be there to go the extra mile for you. The best dealers have the best salespeople and the best managers. Those dealers, in turn, attract the best brands. It's a virtuous circle. If you're an avid internet reader, you will see people trying to gain the smallest or largest price advantage, and that turns into a sport larger than the actual purpose, or more importantly to me, the purchase experience. When you are in the rarefied air of the holy trinity of watches, or many other equally expensive brands, cost is always a concern. But it's also about the purchase and ownership experience. You're not buying a Patek Philippe for the most accurate time. Rather, it's a timeless, beautiful piece of jewelry on my wrist, and perhaps even an unwritten agreement with the brand to protect the name of Patek Philippe and the quantities of the product they release. This leads me to my startling and perhaps dangerous conclusion. I wanted a simple 2-watch collection, 1 dress watch, 1 sports watch, apart from some very sentimental pieces that are personal to me. The experience here with the product and the purchase and ownership experience has led me back down the wormhole to get deeper into horology, just in a more discerning way. This may get very interesting as I know now what I don't want given my personal style and activities. Thank you for watching. I'll have more in-depth reviews of the Calatrava as I get more time on the wrist with it.